Hi friends, I'm Irfan and you're watching my YouTube channel IrfanCreates. This is action figure part 15. You can see part 1 to 14 from I button. Friends, you must be seeing this torso something different. If we compare it with left side image, which was before upgrading, we'll clearly see some changes over here. I have included a joint over here. Reason is I wanted to make it more flexible. First, it was bending with abs portion without any twist. Now after upgrading, it twists nicely. So in this part, I will show you how to include this joint in your torso. That's what we are going to see in this video. And abs will not be covered in this part. I will cover abs in next part with torso muscles. So let's build this joint. We need to cut these two pillars for including a twist joint. So after cutting it in two parts, we'll make a cylindrical joint in center which provide twisting to both these parts. So let's make a cut in front and back. I'm using this sharp cutter because the layer is thick enough. Your cut should be clean at this point and scissor will not be helpful over here. Here comes out the front piece and back one. So we are going to use these pieces later. I have cut and removed pieces from above this line. Now we'll cut these two pillars just a little bit above of this cut. These pillars are very hard to cut despite using sharp cutter because they were made strong enough. So finally the two pillars are detached and our torso is in two parts. And now again with the help of this cutter I am removing this middle section of torso. So it came out nicely and this part will look like this. Now let's build a twisting joint over here. I have taken a 3 cm height cylinder with 1 cm ring sticked on it. Again inserting 1 cm ring in middle and sticking 0.5 cm ring on top of it. So the top and bottom rings are sticked on cylinder and the middle one is free to rotate, which is our main mechanism. So I am applying some glue on its both internal sides and lock ring should be in a position and we'll stick this base ring middle of these two pillars. So this ring should be in middle from both sides. Gap should be even. Now the middle ring is free to rotate and we'll stick it in between these two pillars. So I'm not applying much glue on these two broken pillars because I don't want to stick its upper lock ring accidentally. So while doing this, be patient guys and take your time. Remember friends, these two pillars are attached with this middle ring and not with this upper ring. Now these detached parts are connected well after sticking some paper strips on middle ring and on pillars. And the chest part is free to twist. If you had remembered these front and back supporters which we had detached in this video before, so I just reduced the sizes according to my torso needs and again positioning them on their places because they will help to avoid any compression after attaching muscles. Secure them with paper strips. I do also recommend you to place small cylinders on each sides of these supporters for to make it more tougher. And now I am removing this front part because we don't need it anymore. I am gluing front and back supporter edges and sticking its front and back panels which we have removed earlier in this video. Now the torso model has become more flexible as it can twist its upper portion after upgrading. I have also included two cylinders below front and back panel which are making them stronger and tougher. So now the upgradation has finally done and I wanted to say you guys something that sorry friends, I have brought this video very late. Actually earlier I was planning to bring torso muscles video, but after I believed that we need this upgradation in our action figure. So all of you, thanks for having patience and trust on me and I'll make sure that torso muscle video will be coming as soon as possible. So see you guys in the next part. Till then, bye bye friends.